The weekly code quiz. In a table, how do we have cells span more than one column or row? Using colspan and rowspan attributes allows cells to span more than one column and row. To reiterate this point, it may be aesthetic to sighted users to not see repeated data, but since the information on a table is read to a user using an assistive device, the order helps the user understand to which column or row the data belongs. So if a column or row is skipped, it can cause confusion. When do we use the colspan and rowspan attributes? So to make a table more accessible, it is preferable to avoid using these attributes. If it is required to use these attributes to present complicated data, then it is preferable to break up the data into smaller related tables that would allow you to avoid using the colspan or rowspan attributes. So if we go back to our previous example, this is how we can improve its accessibility further. Here we have added our footer note to our caption, so the user using an assistive device understands that more information can be requested without having to go through the entire table. And we no longer use the colspan attribute, and the table does not need a footer. And here is how it would look. Presented by Designers Learn Code.